To improve device innovation and success while reducing the reliance on physical testing, medical device companies need to leverage powerful design and simulation tools that deliver a new experience for rapid product development. Imagine being able to design and develop medical devices with a data-driven and model-based engineering platform that has the best-in-class apps and processes featuring proven Simulia technology for 3D design, systems engineering, multi-physics simulations, and virtual human modeling, while also connecting the required people, processes, and data for innovation. With SolidWorks and 3D Experience Works simulation, designers and engineers can rapidly explore the virtual device design space with solutions for structures, fluids, electromagnetics, and plastics to test promising designs in real-world usage scenarios and validate optimal designs against product requirements and business objectives while reducing their reliance on expensive and time-consuming physical, animal, and human testing. By maintaining associativity to SolidWorks, the most widely used CAD tool in life sciences, medical device companies can increase the range and value of novel, smart, and innovative medical devices to satisfy unmet patient needs, access powerful high-performance computing resources with a secured and unified cloud-based solution, reduce the cost and time of new product development while ensuring traceability and defensibility, and improve patient experiences and treatment outcomes with innovative, safe, and effective medical devices. Discover more at solidworks.com